Hey Kushal, can you hear us? Kushal, Rohit, Vemana, can you hear us? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
able to hear us?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kushal. Kushal, what are you doing currently? Where are you based?
Uh, I'm doing BTech in CSE at MNIT.
MNIT Jaipur.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which year?
Currently, I'm in my third year. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
my fifth semester is going on.
Okay. So if you see, this internship is like for people who are already based out of Bangalore and are already graduated. So it's suitable for them. Right. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to do, but anyway, you can attend the session. Rohit, can we just hear from you? What are you doing currently? Okay, Rohit is gone. Vemana, can you hear us? Vemana, can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Vemana, what are you doing currently? Where are you based?
Sir, I am a recently passed out, sir,
Which
from
year?
C uh 2025, sir.
2025 batch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and which college you are from?
The Neklo Institute of Engineering and Technology, sir, at Vijayawada.
Vijayawada. And currently you're in Vijayawada or somewhere else?
Currently I'm in Vijayawada, sir.
Okay, you're in Vijayawada as well. Right. Okay. Currently, are you working somewhere or like how it is?
No, sir, I am a fresher and I am learning the fundamentals of network engineer, sir.
Okay, and okay, and which branch are you are from?
Yes, sir, I am from CSC AML, sir.
CSI. Okay. Rakesh, can you hear us? You are from which batch and what are you doing currently? Rakesh, can you hear us? Rakesh, are you able to hear us? Rakesh, are you there?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Rakesh,
Yeah,
can you hear
yes,
us?
Sanjay. Yeah.
Yeah, Rakesh. So, where are you based and what are you doing currently?
Actually, I relieved in September 17th.
Yeah.
I have experience as executive, AR executive,
Mm-hmm.
and I am from EC background.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So I think welcome everyone. Let me just talk about this program, and then maybe if it is not relevant to you, feel free to discuss, share, refer it to anyone else. Right. So this is actually a training come internship program where we are training customer or training people for one of our customer who is looking for readily available talent on the telco, cloud, and DevOps space. So my name is Sanjay Kumar. My name is Sanjay Kumar, and I come from a company called Telco. So what Telco Learn does, we are actually a services and consulting company, and I will talk about it. It is like a more of an internship, which is full time, 2 months kind of internship, where where people are actually going through intensive job kind of environment, and then they are going to get some kind of placement assistance from. So one of our customer is going to hire almost 80 to 90% of these students if they are able to meet their criteria. Right. So this is not really regular training program where you study for 1 hour and have fun all the day. This is kind of job which is going to be almost full time, right? So it's 9 to 6, Monday to Saturday, where it will be typically working on the live projects, what is happening in the industry itself. Right. Now, just to give you a brief introduction about Telcolan. Telcolan is a Bangalore-based telecom and cloud services and consulting company. We specialize in telecom, cloud, and DevOps technologies. We're empowering students with hands-on skills and industry readiness, and we actually work with few companies on hire, train, deploy model, where we hire for them, train people on the required skill sets, and then deploy with their our customer companies. So that's a little bit about what we do at Telcolan. Now, in this webinar, what we are going to talk about is what is this program is all about, what we are going to cover, what we are going to cover in this program, what type of career opportunities you are going to get, right? And also, we are also going to provide a pathway around training and internship, like what is going to happen in this program. And once we are done through that, we are going to have first level screening and interaction with the Telcolan team, which is going to be in our office. Our office, I will explain that in a minute, where that is based, right? So this is something what we are going to discuss in this particular webinar, right? Now, what is the typical eligibility criteria? So we are looking for people which are coming from programs like BTech, MTech, MCA, 2025 batch, ECE, CS, IT, Triple E branches or related branches. Because nowadays there are a lot of different branches which has come out of these branches. So it's little, these are the high level branches, but something related to that will also work. And the minimum criteria is 60% in 10th, 12th, and graduation with no active backlogs. Right. So this is the eligibility criteria, even though we are targeting for 2025 batch, but a little lower like 23 or 24 may also work if you are ready to spend full time into this kind of internship. Right. What is it is going to be? It is going to be a full-time classroom training in Bangalore, right? Where we have Monday to Saturday classes, 9 to 6 p.m. Only 3 hours of theory classes, 5 hours is going to be the regular work. So you will be working with the live projects with the industry ready kind of use cases, right? What we are typically going to cover here is the Python, Linux, DevOps, Cloud Native, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Ansible, Prometheus, Grafana, GitHub, and then some telecom related use cases as well. Right. So it's a pretty extensive industry ready curriculum what we are covering. And all our trainers are below about 10 years of experience. Right. So I myself come with around 25 years of experience in industry. Right. So this is something going to be very, very intensive training program. Right. We will be giving you some live projects. So every week you are getting one or two projects, one or two assessments, and a internship experience letter is what you are going to get. Once you are done with this internship, we are also going to give you job assistance. So getting you ready for the jobs, as well as like this, we will be offering a 2 or 3 interviews, which is guaranteed from our multiple customers. And the starting salary after this training is going to be 4 to 6 LPA. It can be even little higher depending on the customer, but minimum 4 to 6 is what they are offering as of now. Right. So this is something what is going to be the program highlight. Now, what are the typical things we are going to cover? As I mentioned earlier, Python programming, Linux, GitHub, DevOps automation, Docker, Kubernetes, observability, telco fundamentals, cloud platform, infrastructure. We are not going to have a detailed because I've seen many training institutes in Bangalore. They try to extend the same 2 months training to 6 months or 9 months. So they keep on teaching you one particular service, one particular platform for let's say 1.5 month, right? So that they spend a lot of time because they need to fill in their pipeline. Need to fill in, keep on filling the students. But this is going to be intensive training program where we will be covering all these things in 2 months, and 2 months in 2 months you're going to be job ready. Now, how the training center looks like. So this training center is very next to, very close to Silk Board, Central Silk Board, very close to a metro station. This is the outside building looks like. This is the cafeteria. So it is not really a traditional training center, very crumbled training center kind of room. It is a completely corporate kind of setup. So this is how the cafeteria looks like. This is how the building reception looks like. And this is how the corporate style training room is. It's a completely different kind of environment what you are going to get into this particular training center. Now, after completing this, 1 second, give me a minute. Yeah. So after completing this internship, what are the typical roles what you are going to look at? So you can be a cloud DevOps engineer, which is typically pretty much in demand kind of job role. You can be a telco cloud engineer, which is working on telecom and cloud kind of skill set. SRE, site reliability engineer, and Linux, Python, and these kind of engineer. So this is the typical career pathway. So these are a very, very high level job roles what we are talking about. But the actual job roles can be much more vast, much more vast. So there can be hundreds of job roles which you can fit into once you go through this training program, right? Now, what is the typical selection procedure? It is going to be a pre-placement webinar. What we are doing here, just to giving you the program overview, online test. Once you are convinced to go with this program, you're going to have a quick assessments on aptitude and technical assessment. We're going to have a virtual discussion, which is going to be shortlisting phase, right? And once you're shortlisted, you can visit our office and see the facility, and that's going to be your final interaction, right? Now, if you really need to know more about it, you already have our WhatsApp number. You can send an email to in hr@alcolan.com, or maybe call us on this number, or maybe other numbers what are mentioned on our website. So that's a quick introduction about this program. I'm open for your questions. So if you have any questions, I would be more than happy to take your questions and answer those questions. Any questions from anyone? Uh, Anbarasu, Prince, Rakesh, Siba, Vimana. Any questions from anyone? Yeah, Rakesh, please go ahead. Any questions?
Yeah, hi Sanjay.
Yeah, Rakesh, please go ahead.
I really loved the program,
Mm-hmm.
and this is different from any other training and placement institutions in the market.
Mm-hmm.
And I really wanted to be part of this program.
Mm-hmm.
And I just want to know that yeah,
Rakesh? Yeah.
may I know more details about screening.
Okay. So in screening, we are just going to have a basic screening on the logical ability and some basic idea about the programming and Linux, etc. It's going to be very, very basic program, very, very basic screening. Yeah.
Okay,
Because
it
we
can be
don't
done in
expect,
online,
okay,
right?
so we don't expect you to know all these things. That's a very, very basic high level screening, because this is something what we are going to teach you in this course, right? But still wanted to understand where you are in terms of logical ability, etc. That's what it is going to be.
Okay, I am okay with it.
Hmm.
But it can be done in online, right?
Yeah,
Virtual.
yeah. So the screening will be done online. So once you are showing some interest, we will be sharing the link with you that you can attempt. So that is going to be quick 35 minutes sessions. Sorry, 35 minutes assessment, two assessments. You can take it up, and then if you are, if you're able to do it, then we're good.
Then I am okay with this because I need to get confirm about this one
Yeah.
as soon
So
as possible.
where
Then
are
I
you based?
can forward my
Rakesh,
things.
Rakesh, where are you based currently?
Currently, I am in Hyderabad.
You are in Hyderabad. Okay. No problem. So
Yeah.
I'll send you the links, right? You can attempt those assessments, and then based on that, we can discuss further.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
Sanjay.
Yep. Okay. Any other
And
questions?
Sanjay, one
Yeah,
more
yeah, yeah.
thing.
Please go ahead.
Um, I think you already got a call
Mm.
regarding my referral.
Mm-hmm.
One of my friend
Mm-hmm.
is interested to join, but
Mm-hmm.
actually he's from mechanical background, but he has
So for
Python
this,
certification.
yeah, for this, the problem is the customer has clearly mandated that they are not going to consider mechanical engineers, only BTech, MTech, MCA, that too from CS, IT, and related branches.
Even though if they have certifications also cannot be considered, right?
So I think that is it, because once I agree for this and tomorrow the customer says we are not going to consider them for placement, so that's a bad thing for both of us, right? For him, for me.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I don't want to say any lie and say that okay, come on and join the training, and after 2 months when the customer selects says, yeah, why you have shortlisted a mechanical student, right? So that's a problem.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Yeah. Uh,
And what about after online assessment tests? What is the
Yeah,
next
so
step?
once you clear the assessment, so you will be starting with the training. With that, before training, you have to pay 20K, and then after training, after you get placed, you have to pay another 20K. So that's the fee for this program.
Only the screening, online test and assessment is the main thing here, right?
Yes, right, correct. Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Any questions from Siba and Vimana?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Siba, please go ahead.
Sir, that there are lots of people that saying that for cloud engineer, you need to have experience in that field, that 1 or 2 year experience. That's why I'm struggling a lot.
Sorry, currently what you're doing, Siba? If you can give us
I
feedback.
completed my MCA into
Uh,
2024. After
mm-hmm,
that, done a internship, and
mm-hmm,
then study for 2 3 months for a cloud certification,
mm-hmm,
and then certified as a Solution
Which
architect.
cloud certification you done, Siva?
Solution architect. One of my
AWS
brother
certified,
is to,
AWS SA certified
yes,
solution
yes.
architect, right?
One of my brother is told about you, so
Okay.
that's why I joined.
Okay. So Siva, if you see, no, normally what happens and what I've seen in the industry is, right? So a lot of people, because AWS is a kind of market standard what is created, and that is offering some standard certification. But unfortunately, just doing AWS certification may not help, right? So because the industry is very different now, and they nowadays we are gone with the days with where we used to have kind of what do you say, like master of one skill. Nowadays, the industry is expecting everyone to be jack of all trades, right? And in the same concept, we have designed this program. So it includes a lot of stuff, not only the AWS. Okay, we will be doing something with the AWS as well, creating VMs, using those VMs, using some of the services of AWS or GCP. But on top of that, deploying real workloads, learning about cloud native, Docker, Kubernetes, Prometheus, Grafana. If you go for all these certifications, it will take you around 2 to 3 years to do all these certification, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
even you will spend maybe another $10,000, $20,000 to do it while learning it and while doing this, because every certification is like $150, $300, CKD, and a number of other stuff, right? Unfortunately, something what is not very clear with the people is whether I'm going to use everything in that certification. So, like for me, in this program, what I'm going to do is we are trying to teach you the skills what our customers are looking for, what the real world is looking for, right? And that includes many points, many topics, not just AWS or GCP, but also Docker, Kubernetes, Prometheus, Grafana, DevOps, CI/CD, Ansible, Terraform, infrastructure as a code. A lot of these different skills. That's something which is missing in the AWS certified solution architect something. So that's the typical difference in the certification what you do and the program what we are doing. Because this is kind of job ready. So you will be, getting interview just after this 2 months of training and get placed with the customers what we have got. Yeah, Vimana, does that answer your question? Sorry, Siva, does that answer your question? Any follow-up questions?
Um, yes, sir. Thank
Yeah. Vimana, do you have any questions?
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Okay, no problem. So with this, what we can do is we can close our session. I will be sharing the recording of the session in the group. If you have any follow-up questions, you have our contact details. Please feel free to reach out to us and please drop your questions. Yep. Thank you very much and have a good day. Take care.
you. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.